Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is another outdoorsy vlog adventure for you. If you haven't already yet, please pause this video and go subscribe. This past weekend, I went spelunking or caving. I think that's how you say it, spelunking. I don't know, I just like to say caving. We drove up 3 hours north to Alabama, stayed in a little cute Airbnb, and did a cave called Tumbling Rock. So I just put together, this is like a 2-day trip. I just put together like a little video for you guys. So on the first day, you're gonna be seeing us exploring and hiking up to a waterfall cave, and then the next day you're gonna see Tumbling Rock. Tumbling Rock Cave was 6 miles in, 6 miles out, so it's not like a round trip thing. It was so fun, you guys. It was like the whole hardcore caving experience that you would expect. We got muddy, it was completely pitch black. We wore hard hat helmets, we wore gloves. I wore special shoes, I had my Merrells on, I wore jeans so that I wouldn't get like my knees torn up when I was like trudging, because sometimes you have to get down on your hands and knees, or you have to kind of like, at one point I was like crab walking back because it gets so uncomfortable in the cave when you're hunched over crawling through for a long time. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this caving adventure. Is this where we enter? Is this where we enter? No, it's like a waterfall.
He's the same way.
We are not in this city anymore. I love it.
Yeah. What's up with this?
I don't know. I don't know where.
That's a pretty big room, so if you want to look at the map, let's see what we're doing.
So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.